Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we make learning English fun and easy. Today we are going to talk about how to speak English without pausing. If you want to learn English step by step and go from the basic level to the advanced level, then this video is for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end. Also, if you are new here, then don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this and hit the bell icon for getting notifications of all our upcoming videos. Let's get started. There are mainly 3 reasons because of which you might be speaking in broken or paused English. First reason, your vocabulary is limited. You know only a few words and you use those words in a sentence, but it creates a pause because there is one word which can replace multiple words. Second reason, your grammar is weak so you speak in broken English. Third reason, you don't have proper confidence in fluency. Now let me ask you a question. Have you ever gone to a shop or a restaurant and ordered something? How did you feel at that time? Were you confident? Or were you worried, what if I make mistakes? See, speaking confidently in any language is the key to fluent and fast speaking. So today in this video, I will help you to overcome these 3 problems with some really useful techniques. Make sure you follow each step carefully so that you can speak English fluently. Now let's start with the first step. First step, increase your vocabulary. If you want to speak English without pausing, then you need to increase your vocabulary because the more words you know, the less you will pause. In order to increase your vocabulary, you should follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, start reading English articles daily. For example, you can read an article of 200 to 300 words every day. While reading, highlight all the new words and then search their meaning. Once you do this for a week, you will notice that your vocabulary is increasing. Step 2, start using those words in sentences. This is the most important step because when you use a word in a sentence, it gets stored in your brain for a long period of time. For example, you highlighted the word accommodate while reading an article and you searched its meaning, which means to adjust or to fit. Now write 4 to 5 sentences using this word. Here is an example. The train was fully packed. We couldn't find a seat to accommodate all of us. Step 3, speak with native speakers. If you want to improve your English faster, then the best way is to speak with native speakers. You can join any English speaking club or you can also find a language partner online. These 2 things will definitely boost your vocabulary. Second step, improve your grammar. Improving your grammar will help you to form correct sentences. When you will form correct sentences, you won't pause while speaking. So to improve your grammar, follow these 3 steps. Step number 1, identify your mistakes. To identify your mistakes, you should have a good understanding of the basics of grammar. If you are confused with tenses, articles, prepositions, etc., then start learning them. You can also learn them from our videos. There is a playlist of basic grammar lessons. The link is given below. Step 2, practice regularly. Practice makes a man perfect. If you want to improve your grammar, then you should practice more and more. One way to practice is to write 10 sentences every day. You can also use the words you learned in Step 1 of vocabulary. Step 3, get feedback. After writing sentences, get feedback from native speakers or your teachers. It will help you to correct your mistakes and improve your grammar quickly. Third step, speak with confidence. Confidence comes when you practice speaking English every day. But there are some techniques which will help you to become more confident. Follow these 3 steps to gain confidence. Step number 1, remove negative thoughts. Many students have the fear of making mistakes. See, everyone makes mistakes. Even native speakers make mistakes, but they don't worry. They correct their mistakes and move on. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Be positive and think you can do it. Step 2, don't be conscious of your mistakes. If you are conscious of your mistakes, then you will start feeling nervous. Feeling nervous will make you more conscious, and this created a vicious cycle. So break the cycle, be confident. Remember, confidence comes when you practice. Step 3, start with small talks. Before starting your speech, greet everyone. Ask them how they are doing. Talk about the weather. Do some small talk. This will relax your mind and you will feel more confident. If you follow these steps, you will see a huge difference in your speaking skills. Now let me share some bonus points with you. They will help you to speak faster. Point 1, avoid using fillers like, like, etc. These words will slow you down. Instead of using fillers, pause for a while and then say the word. Point 2, don't speak too fast. When you speak too fast, you might make mistakes or you might stumble upon words, so speak at a moderate pace. Point no. 3. Practice at home. Practice speaking English in front of the mirror. You can also record yourself while practicing. It will help you to see and correct your mistakes. Now let me ask you a question. Can you tell us about a time when you made a presentation in English? How did you feel? Were you confident? Well, everyone has different experiences. Some people love sharing their ideas in front of others and some people don't. See, everyone has their own comfort zone and there is no harm in being nervous or feeling shy. Every great speaker was once a beginner. They also had stage fright. They also had the fear of making mistakes. But their passion for public speaking helped them to overcome their fears. Let me share an experience with you. Once I gave a presentation in English. That time I was very nervous. I was afraid of making mistakes. But when I saw the smiling faces in the audience, I gained confidence. Everyone was encouraging me, and guess what? I completed my presentation successfully. So remember, don't be afraid of making mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. The important thing is to enjoy the process of speaking. In order to help you better, we would like to ask you a question. What are you afraid of while speaking English? Please share your answer in the comments. We will definitely reply you. That's all for today. If you want to become fluent in English faster, then click on this video, and if you want to learn English step by step, then click on this video. Thank you.